Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a peppered beef with Mange Tout. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. We take a large wok or a frying pan and we put some oil in it and we let it warm up. Then we add some chilli, some sliced yellow pepper, some sliced spring onions and some chopped garlic. Stir fry these for about 5 minutes, just until they're softened. Once our vegetables are softened, we're going to remove them from the wok and just put them into a dish at the side. Now we'll add a touch more oil. To that then we're going to add some Chinese Thai spice. Just give that a stir around in the oil, and then we're going to add our thinly sliced beef. We'll increase the heat to high and we'll stir fry for 2 minutes, just until the meat is browned on all sides. Remove the meat with a slotted spoon and set aside with the vegetables. Now we're going to add our cornflour slurry. So we've just mixed the cornflour in a measuring jug along with some stock. To that then we're going to add some soy sauce. Some brown sugar. Just give that a quick stir around. As you can see now, the sauce is starting to thicken up. Now we're going to add it back into our vegetables. Then our cooked beef. Give that a stir around and then we're going to add the Mange Tout. Give that a stir around, let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes, just until the Mange Tout is cooked, and then we're going to serve. Now as you can see, I'm just serving my peppered beef with Mange Tout over some egg noodles, but it also goes really well with some basmati rice. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.